So, what do I want to eat? There's so much to choose from. Why do we never have anything in the fridge? I don't understand it. Oh. Whoa! What was that? What was that? Who knows? I guess it's time to continue looking in the fridge with no luck. Father! When are we gonna go to the store and get some more food? Who goes there? Seriously, I'm not playing. I just need to find some food and then get out of here. I'm tired of this. Alright. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ludwig.
What the hell, Iggy? My brothers are so annoying sometimes. Is there any food in here? Iggy, knock it off!
Ludwig, that wasn't me.
Whoa! What the hell? That was weird. Whoa! Wow. Iggy, I have a bad feeling about this. I have an eerie feeling, too.
Ludwig? What's going on?
I don't know, Iggy. This is weird. Ah! Oh my gosh! I had so much fun at Chuck E. Cheese! Yeah, Junior, it was so fun! We should totally do that again sometime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's up with you two?
We don't know what's going on, but we keep hearing moaning sounds coming from the hallway towards the garage.
Are you crazy? Sadly, he's telling the truth. Ah! Ah! Am I gonna die? Wait, don't leave me behind!
Ludwig, run!
Oh dear. Man, what's going on? Roy, there's something lurking around the house. We keep hearing a moaning sound. Are you crazy? No, Roy! Ludwig's telling the truth! Huh? Where is everyone? Hey, Larry! Hey, Lemmy, where is everyone? Beats me! What was that? I'm not sure, Lemmy, but I have an eerie feeling about this. Larry, what's wrong? Lemmy? Call the police now! I'm sorry, officer. I don't know why my son called the police. I think he's overreacting. Yeah, I've been looking out here for a while now, and I don't see anything. This was so weird, guys. Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, today was a very strange day.
Man, I still don't get it. What's going on? Roy, believe us. We heard moaning. Yeah, I'm with James. All right, everyone. Calm down. We're all good. No need to fear. That's easy for you to say. Oh.
Hello, Larry.
Ah!